Hello gorgeous people, and welcome here on my YouTube channel. In today's video, as you saw from the title, we will unbox the Cultbeauty, the tried and tested goodie bag. If you are not new on my channel, you already know that I just adore the Cultbeauty goodie bag. Okay beautiful people, the bag is here, I'm here, let's dive in to see the treats. And first we get the Cultbeauty craft paper makeup bag. This bag is made with 100% organic cotton lining and 100% recycled craft paper. It looks good. Here we have an amazing face serum from Medic 8, C Tetra, Lipid Vitamin C, Radiance Serum. This is the serum, I'm using it now and it's lovely, love it. Next we find a product from Ren Clean Skincare, Ready Steady Glow, Daily AHA Tonic. Well, I don't know if I mentioned before, but I'm not using a toner anymore. I don't feel that my skin needs to use a toner. Here we have a first full-size product from Honest Beauty, Everything Primer Matte. Okay. Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow PHA plus BHA Pore Tight Toner. I had this toner in the past and was nice. Next product is from Sol de Janeiro, Glow Motions in Rio Sunset. Is a tinted oil. I know that Sol de Janeiro product smells lovely. I hope and here will be the case. Here we have a product from Biossance, Squalane plus Vitamin C Rose Oil. This is a face oil that will nourish, firm and brighten skin texture and tone. Anastasia Beverly Hills Lash Brag Volumizing Mascara. This mascara claims to be waterproof but is not. What I like in this mascara is the brush, it's very nice. And look how small the sample is. I have a travel size, let me show you. And look how small this sample is compared with the travel size. Next product that we have is from Pi Skincare, Rose Hip Bioregenerate, Rose Hip Seed and Fruit, Universal Face Oil. This serum will firm the skin and is perfect for sensitive skin. Pi is a brand that I heard so many good things about it. I'm really happy that I have a chance to try it. Here we find a product from Oskea, Renaissance Mask, Nutri Active Brightening and Resurfacing Mask. This mask will exfoliate the skin to reveal a soft and radiant complexion. Next we have a product from Elemis, Skin Nourishing, Milk Bath, Body Soothing. I like Elemis body care products. For me, they are amazing, but too pricey. Here we have a full-size product from Galine, Hydrating Face Cream for sensitive skin. I never tried this brand before, we will see. Next product is from Espa, Natural Beauty Inner Calm, Bergamot and Jasmine Body Lotion. Welcome! Another full-size product that we find is from Charlotte Tilbury, Lip Luster in the well-known Pillow Talk shade. Well, I'm not a huge fan of Charlotte Tilbury lip lacquer formula. I find it too sticky. Above the shade is beautiful. Ooh, another full-size product is a lipstick from Huda Beauty, Power Bullet Matte Lipstick in the shade called Dirty 30. Exactly for me. Let's see the shade. It's beautiful. It's a dark grey mauvish shade. Next we find a product from Emma Hardy Skincare, Moringa Cleansing Balm. I know that this is a great product, popular on YouTube, but I don't like cleansing balms. I like to use cleansing oils. Next product sample that we find is from Caudalie, Vino Perfect Radiance Serum, Complexion Correcting. This serum contains vinoferrine, which is 62 times more effective than vitamin C. Here we have a sample from Gold Faden MD, Bright Eyes. It is a very small eye cream sample. Next product is from Fresh, Rose Deep Hydration Face Cream. Ooh, here we have a product from Dr. Dennis Gross Skincare, All Physical Lightweight Wrinkle Defense SPF This sample made me very happy. I was eyeing at this since was available on Cultbeauty. Very happy that I will try it. Next sample is very small and is from IT Cosmetics. Hello results, wrinkle reducing daily retinol serum in cream. I know that this is a quite new product from IT Cosmetics, which I will love to try. And the last product is from Supergoop, Unseen Sunscreen with SPF 30. This sunscreen is coral reef safe. Now I'm using this sunscreen and I'm not sure if I like it. I need to test it longer to understand exactly how it works. As a first impression, is good. Okay guys, and here we have all the products found in the tried and tested Cultbeauty goodie bag. I hope you will find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you soon. Bye!